Imagine you are driving your diesel vehicle, everything feels smooth, and suddenly, that dreaded check engine light pops on, possibly followed by a drop in power or even thick black smoke coming from the tailpipe. You scan it, and you see the code P2064. This code specifically points to a voltage issue with the reductant regeneration supply pump. Now, do not let the fancy words scare you. Reductant is just the technical term for the diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, that modern diesel engines use to clean up emissions. This system, known as SCR or Selective Catalyst Reduction, injects that fluid into your exhaust to break down harmful nitrogen oxides. When you get this code, your car's brain, the PCM, is seeing a voltage spike in the pump that moves this fluid. It is reading higher than it should be, which usually means there is a wiring issue or the pump itself is struggling against a blockage or an internal failure. This is serious because if the system cannot spray that fluid, your particulate filter can clog up, and the computer might put your truck into limp mode to protect the engine. So, what do? First, do not just clear the code and hope it goes away. We need to do some detective work. You are going to need a multimeter and a scan tool. Start by locating the DEF supply pump. You want to check the electrical connector. Is it corroded? Wiring shorts are actually a very common cause here because these pumps live under the vehicle in harsh conditions. If the wiring looks good, you need to check the voltage at the pump while it is commanded on. You might need a friend to toggle the pump with the scanner while you measure. If you are getting battery voltage but the pump is not running, the pump is likely dead. If the voltage is erratic or way too high on the signal wire, you might be looking at a sensor issue or, in rare cases, a bad controller. Remember, fixing this quickly saves you from a much more expensive clogged filter repair down the road.